Hello friends, in this video we are discussing program execution transfer instructions. These instructions to transfer instruction during an execution without any condition are call, return and jump. Then instructions to transfer instruction during an execution with some condition is JA or JNBE used to jump if above not below equal instruction satisfies. JAE or JNB is used to jump if above not below instruction satisfies. JBE or JNA used to jump if below equal not above instruction satisfies. JC is used to jump if carry flag equal to 1. JE or JZ is used to jump if equal 0 flag ZF equal to 1. JG JNLE is used to jump if greater, not, less than or equal instruction satisfies. Then JGE JNL is used to jump if greater than, equal, not, less than instruction satisfies. Then JL JNGE is used to jump if less than or not, greater than or equal instruction satisfies. Then JLE is used if less than, equal, if not greater than instruction satisfies. In the same way, the remaining instructions JNC, JNE, JNO, JNP, JNS, JO, JP or JPE and JS are used. Now we are discussing process control instructions. These instructions are used to control the processor action by resetting the flag values. Following are the instructions under this group. STC is used to set carry flag to 1. In the same way, there are CLC, CMC, STC, CLD, STI, CLI. So these are the various instructions. CLC is used to clear or reset carry flag. CMC is used to put complement. STD is used to set direction flag. CLD is used to clear or reset the direction flag. STI is used to set the interrupt enable flag to 1. CLI is used to clear the interrupt enable flag to 0. Then iteration control instructions are loop, then loop with condition, loop NE, that is the condition will be satisfied if ZF equal to 0 and CX equal to 0, JCXF XZ if CX equal to 0, that is jump is provided if CX equal to 0. Then interrupt instructions includes int, int-o and IRET. Int is used to interrupt the program during execution and calling service that is specified. Then int-o is used to interrupt the program during execution if OF equal to 1. IRET is used to return from interrupt service to the main program. So these are the various data transfer, various kinds of instructions supported by 8086 microprocessor. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel to see more videos on this topic.